Jama, I hope you are seeing what I am saying. The head of this house mowing the lawn himself. This early, on Valentine's morning, when husbands are buying flowers, that one is not ordinary, Jama.
On Valentine's morning, some men wake early to clear their heads. Not everything is romance.
I prefer evidence. Let's go downstairs. Jama, are you sure you know nothing about this? Because this thing is getting out of hand. On Valentine's morning, for that matter. The head of the house mowing lawn like this.
Bella, I have said it already. I don't know anything. Let's not jump to conclusions. It might not be what we are thinking.
Yes, this is serious. Everybody must see this.
Uncle Jama, get me a glass of juice from the kitchen.
Oh, so you are also in the same soup. No wonder you have been defending him all along.
What exactly is going on in this house? How can grown adults be running up and down because of one small girl?
Bella, when you see your neighbor's roof on fire, you don't stand there laughing. You fetch water. Because wind does not ask permission before it changes direction.
Auntie Bella. The best victim for my next soup.
CCTV is scheming. What exactly did Auntie Bella do? Drop your guesses in the comments.